in their 60s were unloading grain into a grain bin. Here's what the sheriff's office tells us. One of the men, 69 years old, fell into the bin but could not get out. This was just after 6 o'clock. The other man tried to help, tried to dig through the grain, but simply couldn't get to that 69-year-old man in time.
The FFA students attending Wednesday's annual Ag Safety Awareness Program in Hays have been around farming equipment most of their lives. They know it can be dangerous. Still, the new Grain Engulfment Rescue Recovery demonstration was a real eye-opener.
A grant came from the grain producers across the state of Kansas, and they saw a need for development of a program of grain rescue. And they donated $90,000 to Kansas University and helped buy the trailer. And what we do now is we travel across the state and present programs to local fire departments and co-ops and actually teach people what to do if they're trapped in grain or preventative measures not to become entrapped in grain.
And my job today was to go through some of the slides that are not the prettiest slides. What they are slides of injuries that have happened, to try to get in your face with the kids to show the images that stick in their heads of what can happen.
A lot of the pictures that we saw this morning, I had never really seen anything like that before. I really knew that was a possibility. I mean, I knew you could get hurt on the farm and working, but I didn't know to the extent of it.
Ed Morrison is Programs Manager for Technical Rescue in the KU Fire and Rescue Unit Training Program headquartered in Lawrence. He started the demo with a reminder to the students that disaster can often be prevented by planning ahead.
Be responsible for your own decisions and don't become part of the problem.
Students from Hays, Stockton, and Russell High Schools watched as their classmates portrayed victim and rescuers.
What we're going to do now is we slide this tube down around the victim and we're going to remove the grain from the inside. How do I know if I've hit your leg or your arm? Sometimes I don't. And the only thing is when we start to push down on them, and we're standing on them, when we push them down and they don't go down any further, and then we can't get the victim out. I mean, that's how we know we've hit something, is just literally when we stop. All right, victim, can you climb out now? Okay, stop right there.
Then the grain immediately surrounding the victim is removed with a vacuum.
Okay, so what we'll do is we lower the grain level down to about their knees. And when the grain level hits their knees, they're able to grab the side of the tube and raise themselves up.
Department of Labor statistics show that working in grain bins is one of the most dangerous jobs in what's become America's most hazardous industry, agriculture.
I've played in grain bins quite a bit and I never realized how dangerous they could really be. And some of the pictures of the accidents shown today were pretty gruesome and really hit hard on how dangerous it really is.